What's up guys, I just want to give you a quick update on what's going on this week. No full length video, but I do want to update you on what's going on. Hey, if it's your first time here, please consider subscribing. If you subscribe, you can click the bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload new content, and there's some great stuff coming. Just an update, I'm working on this X table build. That should be out in a week or two. And then after that, I'm going to build a farmhouse table. The X with a 4x4 base, X style with 2 benches. I'll probably do the bench video separate, and that way if you're following along you don't have to watch both of them at the same time. This week I just want to share with you what's going on in the shop. I'm building the X-based table, console table, coffee bar, whatever you want to call it. Give you a preview of what's coming. This table, of course, featured in the next week or two. I've ordered a new laptop, or a laptop. I've been using an iPad Pro to edit all these videos on. That's very difficult to say the least. I'm kind of new to the video thing, and so I'm learning as I go. I'm using my iPhone to record with. I want to continue to use the iPhone to record. However, I did want to up my game in my editing and hopefully streamline that to make it a little faster, where I can actually get out 1 video per week with relative ease, I guess you would say, because it's difficult to get it all done. You know, putting soundtrack or music to it. When you try to put music on an iPad from an external source, I'm using Epidemic Sound. You have to download it to Dropbox, and then from Dropbox I have to export it to KineMaster, which is an app I'm using to edit the videos, and then all of that is filling up the space on the iPad extremely fast, and I have no way of dumping a lot of that information off the iPad once it's on there. The way iCloud Sync works, I basically have to go through and delete all the videos, clips that I'm putting into the KineMaster after it's uploaded to YouTube. So that takes time. So it's a whole ordeal that maybe you care nothing about, I don't know. But it's taking a lot of my time up, and which is taking away from shop time. So it's a mess. I needed a laptop. So that's why I ordered a laptop. I saved up for a while to get it. I'm getting an HP. I went Windows. I've been on Mac since 2008. And so I've got that coming. It's going to help me streamline this. Eventually I want to get a camera, a suitable camera for this. I'm looking at a Canon SL2 because it's the cheaper of the DSLRs with the autofocus. That's what I'm looking at right now. I hope to get that with a Rode mic on top for less than $1,000. That's going to be in the future, probably a good ways in the future. Here's what's coming. My dad today ordered me for my birthday a DeWalt 735X planer. Can't believe it. It's it's amazing. I got to pick it up on the 26th. I'm going to do an unboxing and initial thoughts on that, and then after I've used it a while, I'll do a review. But I don't want to just pull it out of the box and do a review. I don't think that's fair. I do want to pull it out and give you my initial thoughts from somebody who's never owned a planer or used a planer. I don't have one. I've been looking at the 734 actually, and I didn't think the 735 was even in my budget, and of course it wasn't, had it not been for him buying it for me. I'm floored. I'm beyond blessed that he thinks enough of me to buy me that. Those videos are coming. Farmhouse table I'm building is coming. The farmhouse bench. This table's coming. The DeWalt planer unboxing and initial thoughts, and then later a review. So those videos are coming. What I did this week was I done a shop tour video, and my shop's a mess. I didn't even clean up before I did it, and I haven't even edited that yet. So I don't know that I'll ever even release that. I may just delete all that. What do you think? Should I do the shop tour video or no? Drop those comments below for me. I also done a review of some Craig tools that I got, but I don't really think that's a good video. So it's the Craig Rip Cut, Craig K5, Craig R3, and the Craig drawer slide jig that I actually own. I was going to do a video of those showing just kind of a brief overview / review, but while I was doing it, I was like, it just didn't. There's so many of those videos already out on each one of those. I don't think I could do it justice. So I'm 99.9% sure I'm going to delete those. But the shop tour video, with the shop being in the mess that it's in, I haven't had a chance to clean up. I don't know that I want to show all of it on video. So not that you can't see most of it sometimes anyway, but I'll probably just do this video this week, and just because I wanted to let you know what's coming. And if you're a subscriber, I wanted to kind of give you an outlook of what to look forward to. I think that's a good idea. You can tell me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I thought maybe it'd be a good idea to let you know, hey, this is what I'm working on. This X table, the farmhouse table, farmhouse bench to match the table, and then the DeWalt planer that I got coming. I can't believe I'm getting that planer. That's the one I wanted. Of course, when you're looking online and you're looking at planers, I look and I say, well, I'd love to have that one, but it's out of my price range. I was actually looking at getting the Wind planer. It's like $260 on Amazon. But I can't believe I'm getting that planer. It's just, it's an amazing thing to me that he's got that for me, and I can't believe it. They had to order it. So that's why I'm not have it today, because he actually went to get it yesterday and they didn't have it and they had to order it for him. So the 26th is when it's supposed to be here of April 2018. So I'm really looking forward to that. I thank you guys for watching. If you have any comments or suggestions for videos, drop those below for me. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. If you use Amazon to shop at all, you can come to this channel. You can click on some of my affiliate links. It won't cost you any extra when you shop. All that does is tell Amazon that I referred you to them, and I get a commission off of whatever you buy from Amazon. I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. It helps me with this channel. It helps me buy tools and equipment and things like that. I haven't done anything to earn that from you, but I really appreciate when you do it. And it helps me tremendously. It helps me maintain my website at 731woodworks.com, because that's $30 a month. And then it also helps me to upgrade equipment when I can. And I would love to be able to get that SL2 eventually to do better videos. And that's my goal. I really enjoy doing this YouTube. I really enjoy sharing what I'm doing, and I would really enjoy to continue to up my game in that department. I feel like as a woodworker, I can see progress from where I started to where I am now. And I know that in a year or 2 or 3, Lord willing, I'm still here, that will continue to increase. My skill level will increase, as will videoing and editing and that sort of thing. It just comes with practice. So if you're hanging in there with me, I certainly appreciate it. I appreciate y'all watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and share these videos. It helps me out a lot. Thank you, thank you, thank you.